Well, recently David Bennett created a video sharing 5 other artists who are very talented at piano improvisation. Once again, they did an amazing improvisation, but we didn't actually see or learn what they were really doing. So let's check that out today. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. In today's video, let's check out Nahre Sol's improvisation and how she created a beautiful melodic improvisation over a chord progression that I'll link to below. And over the coming weeks, I thought we might build up some 4-bar improvisations of some of my favorite little snippets of those artists. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this will really help me out. And there's also a new membership if you're able to support in that way. That's really appreciated. So Nahre Sol begins with a really beautiful melody starting from this A note up high. Underneath in the improvisation, I'll provide a bit of a chord or bass, something like that, as we step down. So let's pull it apart with our LOVE for our music today, and starting with listen. So have a listen to this improvisation by Nahre Sol. And onward. So let's pull it apart now and look at just bar 1. And again. So let's observe quickly where we are on the keys. So we have our A minor chord there in our left hand. We are also going up and down, basically some A minor notes there by Nahre. So let's play again. Now let's check out what we're doing. So underneath we've got this sort of an pa. So pa, pa up to the C, E and A there. Our hand can do a gentle release there with the elbow. So off and up over that chord. Otherwise we'll get it a bit breaking there. So the left hand 2 chords first. 1, 2. So A, B, C there. 1, 2. A, B, C. And then again, 3 and triplet. We come down in our right hand. 1, 2. Triplet, left hand. And then those 2 little notes, E and D, there quickly in the right hand. Now let's look at a bit of this combined counting here between the hands. So we've got 1 and 2, orenda, to a bit of a swing. So it's bouncy, 1, bouncy, bouncy, triplet, wait. So play your left hand on the wait again. 1, 2, orenda, triplet, wait, quickly. So sneak those ones in on the quickly right before our next beat. And for our expression, let's also think of growing to the top. So gentle in our left hand, grow the right hand notes up as we go. So our next bar, let's have a listen. Again. So we've got a triplet left, wait, go. Again, triplet left, 3 and 4. Those 3 notes of the D, E and A there. And then she goes on to play back and forwards between these A and E notes, which sound really interesting over the chord change there. So bar 2 again, let's have another play. So left hand is covering our, so loud to start, 3, 4, and bouncy. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and go. And let's put the first 2 bars together now. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and again. Here we go. Our next bar goes on to our F and then our F minor in the left hand. So we'll have our F to there and then F minor. So we're changing from that A natural to the A flat in the middle of our hand there. Okay, let's have a listen now to our bar 3. She does something like that with the B, E, A, and then I think the next one comes on the beat. And then this next little run can run down to the C bass note there. Okay, so the patterning that we have is our F, an F chord, F minor chord. Then the rhythm we have T, bouncy, 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 triplet T, run together. Let's do it again. So T, bouncy, 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 triplet T, and that run there at the end. And now with the left hand. So T, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. So we have the E, and then E again. And we do that little loopy look there with the observing there. So T, bouncy, together, triplet, and then down. So let's do the triplet one again, triplet. So we'll just go together on that E. I think she might do that on the recording. Triplet T, and then run. We'll just do our C chord there at the bottom as well, just to join that little bit on. Okay, now let's go from bar 1, 2, and 3 together. Have another listen and another play, and check out the patterning of what's happening on the white keys. The only black key we've got there is where we go to that minor third so far, so that's fun too. Okay, let's have another play. Ready, go. Then our last chord goes to our E, and then we'll have a little run here. She does a cute little crush, and then, and pizza, pizza. So we've got a C chord, and then E chord, crush. So we do the crush. So we end up with our 1, 2, 3 fingers there, and 2 there. So crush to that one. So it's like a little acciaccatura, if you're familiar with the little crush note. We're squashing that one and coming together on the beat for that one. So let's break down bar 4 again. So we have the C chord, then E chord, crush, again, 1, 2, 3, crush. So let's go back now and do one more run through just to see if there's anything else that we need to tweak and really get that rhythm going there. So Nahre Sol has a lot of syncopation, a lot of off beats, and also she isn't just dividing the beat and then doing the off parts of that. She's also mixing some swinging beats. We've got some straight beats that come out as triplets in this music, and we've also got a bit of extra bling with those little crush ones as well. So let's play through all again and enjoy this beautiful... Now, who did this solo? But I'll put that in the links as well. Okay, from the top, here we go. And onward for next time. I look forward to you joining me as we extend out this improv into our next set of bars and learn some more nuts and bolts for jazz improvisation. I'll add some more links for you to check out other blues and jazz. Happy music making. Ta-da.